Hello out there in YouTube land. I got a package today that I was expecting, and I'm fairly sure I know what's in it. It's a very late birthday present from my older brother. I'm going to do an unboxing. It's going to be awesome. I'm sure what it is. So, popping it open. And boom! It is an autographed picture of Lou Ferrigno. It says, to Jeff, Lou Ferrigno. I am a huge fan from way back. I used to watch the show every night back in the day. And even sent out a letter to him at one point asking for an autograph, and he never sent it back. Just never sent that autograph. So my older brother went to WonderCon in LA, got this picture, and had it sent. So this is awesome. Just thought I'd unbox and show it. It is very cool. So just thought I'd show that, and have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.